In this video, I'll show you how to edit listing on Airbnb. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how you can edit your existing listing on Airbnb. So to get started, go ahead and sign in into your account on the app or the website. Now once you're on the app or the website, go ahead and switch to hosting. Now make sure that you have actually set up your Airbnb hosting for your account before you can actually edit that. Once you have set up your Airbnb listing, go ahead and switch to that. Click on the menu button at the top of your screen. Under that, you'll be able to find your listings, and once you're on your listings, you can go ahead and click on that specific listing that you want to edit and update the information that you want to edit on that specific listing. So as you can see, my Airbnb account doesn't have a listing yet since I don't have an available draft listing yet. If you have one, you can actually do that through that way, so you can update the information for your listing along with the status of your listing. And that is how you can basically edit your listing on Airbnb. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.